Folks, listen up. We have one of the exceptional cars here today. You can go out and look at 50 of these. This is absolutely going to be in the top 5. Fit, finish, and function is exceptional. 1967 Chevelle, genuine super sport. It has a crate 502 motor under the hood with 502 horsepower. It has an aftermarket air conditioning system. It's a factory-born 4-speed car, and it's got posi, power steering, power disc brakes, frame off restored. Excellent car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price tag on this one and about 200 other classic cars that we have all for sale. And each one has a monthly payment on it as well, if that makes it easier for you. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yes, exceptional. And trust me, I'm out looking at them. You might think you look at them online or in pictures and on the internet and think that they're out there this nice. I'm telling you, this is exceptional. So anyway, it has the 67 bulged hood here, super sport, all square, clean, straight, absolutely straight, lines up beautifully. The roof is straight, no vinyl roof. All this is excellent. The doors line up beautifully. I love this. And that's with the windows up. I have the windows up on purpose on this car to just show how nice everything fits. Quarter panels, outstanding. I mean, everywhere you look, every square inch of this car, from the roof down to the rockers, it's straight, smooth, shiny. I don't see cracking, blistering, bubbles, shrinkage, none of that. All right tight, right around the trim there, all nice and smooth, clean, straight. Look at that gap. Beautiful. Nice. Not wavy. All coming down here is all excellent. So the body is in excellent shape. The paint is also excellent. It's a code K, it's a turquoise color. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's all one color. The clear coat is polished, smooth, and glossy. Looks like a water drip on there. I don't know if that's glue or what. Actually looks like a water droplet on there. I'm sure that'll come off. And I'm sure there's a minor imperfection somewhere, but as I was just looking at the body, I honestly did not find a one. I think there's a chip. The other guy, Michael, found this. There's a little chip right up top here, a small one. So anyway, the paint, body, excellent. The chrome grills are replaced, cross flag emblems, the moldings, all that's looking really sharp. The vent window pillars are shiny chrome. I'm going to guess the glass may have all been replaced. It's really nice. It is tinted. It has a nice light tint. It's not too dark. All this trim is shiny, and it all fits right. You can have new trim, but if it's popping off or doesn't fit right in the corners, this is all excellent. It has the blacked out SS panel. It has optional bumper guards. All this is looking really nice, sparkly, straight. So these are radial redline tires. They're BF Goodrich tires with the redline stripe, and they are 15-inch. Those are 67 centers. It has a small center cap. All the trim is real shiny on those. Bow tie mirror. Up front has bumper guards, all nice trim. This piece of aluminum has a hairline, like surface scratch right there. So I'm not going to use the word perfect, but again, it's exceptional. This is a top-notch car. Let's open it up. It gets better. All right, I'm going to show you a clean trunk compartment. Yeah, this is painted real slick, just like the top side. They replaced the stickers. The jamb is very clean. Weatherstrip looks new. The entire inside of the trunk compartment is solid metal with the spatter finish, has the rubber mats, has a rally wheel spare, and the jack assembly is underneath there. I can see it. So nice, clean, and complete trunk. Go to volocars.com to check out our entire inventory, and that's where you'll find everything you're looking for, the financing, the prices, pictures, videos, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So the jambs are painted really slick as well. Nice clean edges on the doors, weather strips, window seals all replaced. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, that all looks new. Real nice dash. It looks like all the chrome bezels and knobs were replaced. The instrument panel's real nice. Might be new. Shows 2,900 miles. That's since the body off frame restoration. That's a nice mileage. You don't want a brand new because there's always bugs to work out. This one's been worked out. A retro stereo. Again, all this looks like it's been replaced. The glove box is locked. We do have a gauge cluster here, so you can keep an eye on your temperature and oil. Nice carpets. An original 4-speed console. Got a Hurst shifter. Seats have nice cushion, nice shape, all reupholstered. Look at all the trim, all very nice. Back seats reupholstered, has seat belts front and back. I think 67 was the first year it was required to have seat belts. All reupholstered, the armrests, side panels, all redone. The back shelf is new, and the trim around the window is all great. Headliners replaced, nice and tight. Dome light works. New, looks like new visors, new mirror. And then we have a wood grain deluxe 3-spoke steering wheel with a Sun vintage style tachometer mounted on the column. That's just how you would have done it back in the day. And it's also on a tilt column. So very nice interior. That motor is a 502. I verified it. There's actually a tag on the side of the block that's with a part number from GM saying what it is. It has the GM Performance aluminum heads, the GM bow tie aluminum intake. You have to supply your own carburetor. This one has a dual feed Holley with electric choke. Pretty certain the distributor comes with it. That's a GM HEI ignition system. These are the stock 502 valve covers that would come with it. And then it has a set of coated headers. All clean firewall, fender wells, all nicely painted. Aftermarket heat and air conditioning systems, going to work much better than the original. Big aluminum radiator with a new shroud and a clutch fan to keep it running cool. Aluminum water pump will help keep it cool. So it has a new alternator. We've got the original style power steering with the reservoir over here. Squirters are hooked up. The glass bottle is actually for concentrated washer fluid. That's what that there is for. You put a little shot in there with some water. And then we have power brakes, with the dual reservoir master. Wiper motors hooked up, squirters are hooked up. Then even underneath the hood is nice and clean, painted, has hood insulation. Very nice example. Well, Michael gets the fun job showing you what she's got. We'll see you in 3 minutes.
All right, everybody, put your seatbelts on. Time to go for a cruise. This is going to be a quick one. 1967 Chevelle SS. This one has a 502 in it. It's got aluminum heads on it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Beautiful restoration here, of course. Handling the bumps very nicely on the street here. Steering well. Does have power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. And yeah, I'm excited. It's going to be a lot of fun. Clutch has got a real good feel to it. Let's see what she's got. Yeah. All right. Just like that, up to speed, no problem. Plenty of power. It's a cold day out here, so it didn't hook really well. But yeah, what a remarkable engine. Absolutely plenty of acceleration. You could have a lot of fun in this vehicle, that's for sure. Handling these bumps real nice again, steering easily. It's a well dialed in car. I really like this one. If you want to test drive it for yourself, come visit us in beautiful Volo, Illinois. Give our consultants a call and they can arrange that for you. We're about an hour drive outside of Chicago and about a 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you do need to fly in. Don't forget, if you don't have time for all that, of course you can just click the buy it now button and we can ship it right to your doorway. Or if you feel like you need another opinion, you could hire a third-party inspector. But as I see it, it's a fine vehicle. You're absolutely going to love it. Check it out on volocars.com.
Yeah, I'm noticing in the trunk where the jack assembly mounts to the rally wheel, he has little pieces of tape so it doesn't scratch the wheel. That's the type of car this is. The owner was fussy, I'm sure of it. Oh, that's nice. Body off frame, underneath is beautiful. The floors are immaculate. They're smooth metal, painted a semi-gloss black. The frame is clean and smooth. All the suspension and steering was rebuilt when they did the restoration. It does have disc brakes in front. They're drum and back. All that system's in excellent shape. The fuel system was all replaced. The tank, the straps. They even put the rubber insulators between the straps and the tank. This even works really nice. Just drop it and it closes. That means everything's lined up the way it should be. Underneath has a nice new exhaust system. Has the H-pipe, just all neatly installed. You look up at the 502 motor, it's still spotless. I told you it has the tag on the side of it, which there's a picture on our website. This car was born a 4-speed. That's right on the trim tag in 1967. It gives you some option codes. It has the 4 speeds right on there, and the SS396 is right in the VIN number. Anyway, it's a correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. In back, it does have a posi rear end in it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.